Well, hello there. Do you think we were done camping? We kind of thought that too. Oh man, it's been a long few months, but we're out here on a Sunday night actually, and it is a beautiful, beautiful spring day here on the Oregon Coast Range. And you might recognize this spot because we camped here maybe about a year ago with our friends Brent and Alexandra and their van. And we decided we didn't want to do a whole lot of exploring. We just wanted to get out, chill, enjoy the sun a little bit because it's been a tough winter. So we're gonna chill. We're just out here for a night. Beautiful sun, nice little sunny spot right here on the creek. Put the chairs out. Gonna have a little fire tonight, and it's gonna be choice. It feels so incredible to be out here. It is. We haven't gone camping since the last video. Well, actually, we did go camping one time since our last video, but I was like beginning of November, I think, and just did a one-nighter with some friends and went and cut down a Christmas tree out in Mount Hood. So it's been way too long, and we have been feeling it. Had a lot of just social commitments and things like that, so 'tis the season. It's nice to be back here when it's sunny.
Yeah.
It was so dreary and rainy last time we were here. I knew it would be nice when it was sunny. I know we keep saying this, but man, I cannot tell you how good it feels to be out here. The YouTube stuff has sort of fallen by the wayside for me, as you can probably tell since we haven't posted a video in 6 months. And I just feel like I haven't had a lot to say. Haven't really bought any new gear to talk about, and I've got a few ideas for more like informational videos. Just haven't really decided to get it all together and execute it. So if you're interested in that stuff, let me know, I guess. I like making like the campsite finding videos because, you know, we always have tons of people asking for spots on YouTube and Instagram and things like that. And I know most of the time the people that are asking are well-intentioned, and like most of the time they're not going to be dumb about it on the internet, but I still don't share them. And there's obviously a really hot debate about that throughout like dispersed camping circles everywhere, and like, should you share campsites, should you not share campsites? And I'm going to stick to my don't share them online tactic. I share them with my friends, people I'm close with, but yeah, just so you know, if you're watching this video and you want to know where this spot is, I'm not going to give you the coordinates. it's just not worth it. A lot of our favorite spots have ended up online, and you know, they're not terribly difficult to get to or hard to find, but man, as soon as they got put on the internet, it was kind of game over, because we've been up there. A specific one I'm thinking of, we've been up to a few times, and every single time it has been taken. And it's, you know, it is what it is. Everybody should be able to enjoy the outdoors, but we also got to think about our impact. So, yeah. Hope you're all doing well. We're going to have some more videos this summer and spring, hopefully.
Hey, who are you talking to?
Oh, talking to a little camera here.
Hi, I'm Kim.
That's Kim. We're not going to get a Kim's Not Very Good Outdoor Cooking show tonight because, no.
I already made the food. We're having some leftovers, so it could be a super brief, not very good outdoor cooking show. But it'll be tasty. It's gumbo.
Gumbo.
It's a gumbo night. So, Winard and I were on the verge of sleeping. And he was in the hammock, I was in the chair, we were just hanging out, and then he just goes, whoa! And this pack of dogs came down, 5 of them, like a mom and a dad and 3 puppies.
Yep.
And I guess this woman was taking her dogs for a walk and didn't know anybody was down here. But oh my gosh, we were almost asleep and now we're fully awake. So that was fun. Yeah, it freaked all of us out just because it was so sudden.
Thankfully, Cooper is the most friendly dog you've ever met. So
very passive.
He was like, oh, a bunch of friends just showed up.
Yeah, you had a good time. Welcome to another episode of Kim's Not Very Good Outdoor Cooking Show, where, again, I already made it, and all you get to see me do is heat it up, which is very, very exciting. Quality content. Get ready. Step 1. Take 2 semi-clean spoons, shove them in your mouth like this. Step 2, get yourself a pot so you have something to cook in. take the coffee stuff out first. Step 3, load some pre-cooked gumbo and some dried out pre-cooked rice into a pot and cook it. Step 4, 5, hold on. Step 4, load up gumbo into a plate, not a bowl, because you're savage. And make sure to do it off screen so nobody knows what you're doing. Am I loading gumbo into a plate? Who knows? Step 5, eat gumbo with an Asian soup spoon. If you do not own an Asian soup spoon, you need to get one today because it's basically a tiny bowl and it makes eating soup and stew and gumbo so much better. Also, Tabasco, use it.
Got a nice little leftover gumbo. Easy camp meal. Of course, you gotta have the Tabasco. And a begging puppy. Would you like some gumbo? Too bad.
Really cool with backwards hat. I feel full. Feel very good. This is interesting.
Cooper. Morning. Oh, we slept a long time. We needed that. Got in bed at like 11, woke up at 9. Not too bad. Had the most vivid dreams of my life probably last night though. It was pretty strange, like multiple dreams that I still remember. It's crazy. Kim said the same thing. Some weird forest spirits out here. Beautiful morning. Gonna have some breakfast. And Cooper's gonna bark at me. What? Yeah. Excuse you. Can I have a conversation with this piece of equipment here, please? Cooper, shut up. Anyway, we're gonna chill, have a little bit of breakfast, and probably just get packed up and head home because it's Monday and we got stuff to do.
Huh?
That sun feels good.
It does.
You got anything to say before we leave?
Florals for spring, groundbreaking.
All right. Quick one-nighter.
Yeah.
Nice time.
Thanks for coming along with us.
We'll see you soon. We're gonna be getting out more in
I don't know what to do with me.
the spring and the summer. So
Yeah.
hopefully a bigger trip coming up soon.
Fingers crossed.
All right. Bye.